स्टूडेंट, हम रेडियो एक्टिविटी के बाद समझते हैं चैप्टर 19 का दूसरा टॉपिक न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन। न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन, if a nucleus react with other nucleus is called nuclear reaction. In chemistry there are the chemical reaction in which atom react with other atoms and the atoms in reactants and product are the same but in different combinations. But in nuclear reaction, nucleus react with other nucleus and whole both nucleus will destroy to each other and in product will be totally different nucleus or nuclei. Like that, if nitrogen react with a helium, that is the alpha particle, scientists bombarded alpha particle on the nitrogen. They got the product oxygen isotope O17-8 with a proton or ordinary hydrogen. So look at here, these are the reactants and this is the product. So in nuclear reaction the product will be totally changed. Nucleus destroy other nucleus and form different other nucleus. There are two types of nuclear reaction: nuclear fission reaction and nuclear fusion reaction. Nuclear fission reaction is that the nuclear reaction in which a heavy nucleus reacts with a fast moving particle or a small nuclei and destroyed among small nuclei, that is fragments, is called nuclear fission reaction. Nuclear fission reaction is that a big nuclei react with a small nuclei or the fast moving particles and destroy among many small nucleus, that is the nuclei. This process is called nuclear fission reaction. Hahn and Strassmann performed first nuclear fission reaction by bombarding a fast moving neutron on the uranium U-238-92 and got fragments and heat energy. That is, U-238-92 react with fast moving neutron. There is a, by absorbing this neutron, it will be U-239-92 and destroyed among fragments that are barium 145-56, krypton 94-36 and 200 mega electron volt heat energy. The heat energy in form of gamma photons, that is nearly about 200 mega electron volts. तो स्टूडेंट, हान और स्ट्रासमैन ने दुनिया का पहला कंप्लीटली न्यूक्लियर फिशन रिएक्शन परफॉर्म कराया था, जो कि ये है यूरेनियम 238, जो कि यूरेनियम का सबसे बड़ा आइसोटोप है, यानी लार्ज क्वांटिटी में यूरेनियम 238 मिलता है, तो उस पर न्यूट्रॉन से अटैक करवाया गया। तो क्या मिला हमें? 239, वो उसकी एक्साइटेड स्टेट में चला गया, फिर बेरियम क्रिप्टॉन मिले और 200 मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट हीट एनर्जी। साइंटिस्ट आल्सो ऑब्जर्व दैट इफ न्यूट्रॉन स्ट्राइक ऑन एन आइसोटोप ऑफ यूरेनियम, दैट इज 235-92, then with fragments and energy they got 3 fast moving neutrons. The reaction is that U-235-92 react with neutron, then they got 236-92. By destruction of this 236-92, the fragments are barium 141-56, krypton 92-36. These are also isotopes of barium and krypton, and with 200 mega electron volt energy, 3 separately fast moving neutrons. यानी साइंटिस्ट क्या कर रहे थे? यूरेनियम 238 को 239 बनाकर उस में से 200 मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट एनर्जी ले रहे थे। सडनली they got 800 mega electron volt energy. They keenly observed that if there is a 23592 uranium isotope, then that will generate 3 separately fast moving neutrons with 200 mega electron volt and fragments. By these 3 separately fast moving neutrons, we can destroy, or scientists destroyed, other 3 uranium atoms. This fission reaction of uranium-236 schematically is this: a uranium-235 bombarded by neutron, then the excited state 23692, barium krypton they got, and 3 fast moving neutron with gamma photons. So by obtaining these 3 fast moving neutrons, other 3 uranium nuclei can be destroyed. If there are large quantity of uranium-235 only, then only 1 neutron required to destroy it. A small or huge amount of U-235 will be at there, then only 1 neutron can destroy this whole U-235, either 1 kg or 10,000 kg, whatever it is. Like that, and that is 1 neutron with 1 U-235-92, and U-235 1 neutron से destroy होगा, produces 3 fast moving neutrons. By other 3 fast moving neutrons, 3 uranium-235 will be destroyed. Then by destruction of 3 uranium-235 nuclei, we get 9 neutrons. By the 9 neutrons, 9 uranium U-235 will be destroyed, and so on. By the 9, there will be 27 will be 81, and so on. So a chain reaction will be at there. So the nuclear fission reaction is also called nuclear chain reaction, by which a huge amount of heat energy will be obtained. This is also called atomic bomb, that is uncontrolled nuclear reaction. So the chain reaction of this, which is explained at here, is that here is 1 uranium U-235 bombarded by only 1 neutron, that produce 3 other neutrons that will destroy other 3 uranium atoms. By these 3 uranium atoms, we get the 9 neutrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 neutrons. They destroy 9 uranium atom. By destruction of 9 uranium atom, we get 27 neutrons. By destruction of 27 uranium-235, we get 81 neutrons, and so on. So this is a nuclear chain reaction. It is written here, uncontrolled nuclear reaction. This can be controlled if it obtained in lab, then it is called controlled reaction, or otherwise on a large scale it is called atomic bomb.